on Watershed. Fast to begin. Sunny Sabayon from the outside is night or day. Watershed by about tulang Sunny Sabayon. Night or day. Whistler is running by the Saturday Magic. And a long way back to G's Melody. And inside the last 900, Watershed by about 4 lengths Sunny Sabayon. Whistler is running by the Saturday Magic. Danori inside alongside is night or day. And G's Melody is still the tail ender. And rounding the fourth turn, Watershed by about 3 lengths Sunny Sabayon. Whistler by the night or day. Saturday Magic and G's Melody as they swing from Watershed by about 2 lengths. Sunny Sabayon still running in second. Whistler Danori inside third, and with the last 250 meters more to run, Watershed by about 2 lengths, followed by Sunny Sabayon in second, and nearing the finish line, Watershed, Sunny Sabayon, night or day on the outside, and finally Sunny Sabayon, night or day, Watershed, G's Melody, number 4, Saturday Magic, Whistler.